Hi, Ginger. Who's a good puppy?
Oh my God.
Ginger, come here. Come and get me. Whoa, I'm gonna get you. Colby, take her bear and throw it up so she can jump and get it. See if you can get it. Hi, Ginger. Here, toss it up so she can. Crazy dog. Ginger. Ginger.
This one is her favorite.
It's Clifford. It's a dog-eat-dog world.
Yeah, you like this one better.
It's a dog-eat-dog world.
Her favorite. Takes him by the heart.
I killed it. Did you kill it, Ginger? Did you kill it? Did you get it? Did you get to Clifford? Did you get Clifford? You got him. You got him good.